Welcome to the channel. Today we are focusing on an important privacy setting in the VK app. Many users want control over who can see their list of groups, and in this video, I will guide you through the process. First, open the VK app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu. Then, in the top right, tap on the three dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. After opening Settings, scroll down and tap on Privacy. Now, scroll until you find the option called Who can view my list of groups? Finally, you will see 5 choices. All users, friends of friends, all friends, only me, and certain friends. Choose the option that works best for you, and the app will instantly update your preference. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.